Hey there, fellow adventurers. Have you ever imagined a place where fire dances with beauty? Get ready to explore Azerbaijan. Snuggled between the Caspian Sea and the Caucasus Mountains, this amazing country blends the modern world with ancient traditions like a beautiful song of history and progress. Azerbaijan's official name is the Republic of Azerbaijan, and its capital, Baku, is a magical mix of super tall skyscrapers and buildings that are centuries old. Imagine strolling through a city where every corner whispers a story. That's Baku. Azerbaijan is led by President Ilham Aliyev. Here, the leader of the government and the country are the same, which helps things run smoothly. This is a country that's growing stronger and becoming more important in the world. They speak Azerbaijani, a language with Turkish roots, and while it's a country where people can practice any religion, most people are Muslim. But what makes Azerbaijan truly special is that everyone is welcome, no matter their beliefs. About 10 million people live in Azerbaijan, and they are known for being super friendly and welcoming. Imagine this, colorful folk dances like the Yali, and beautiful Mugham music filling the streets. That's the heart and soul of Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is about 86,600 square kilometers, and the land is incredibly varied. From green valleys to almost desert areas, every part of Azerbaijan is a new adventure waiting to happen. And their money, called the Azerbaijani manat, is doing well because of oil, natural gas, and lots of tourists. Azerbaijan has a long and interesting history. It was once part of the Great Silk Road, a famous trade route, and has seen many powerful empires come and go. It became independent from the Soviet Union in 1991, and today, it's a modern, successful country where almost everyone can read and write. 99.8%. Pretty amazing, right? People live to be around 73 years old in Azerbaijan, which shows that healthcare and living conditions are getting better. And the scenery, from the burning mountains of Yanardağ to the peaceful Caspian Sea, Azerbaijan is a treat for your eyes. Gobustan National Park with its ancient rock carvings takes you back 40,000 years, showing how long humans have been around. The government is working hard, building new roads and buildings, modernizing cities, and protecting its cultural treasures. The flame towers of Baku light up the night sky, symbolizing the nation's energy and progress. Azerbaijan is truly a land of wonders, a bridge between the East and the West, where history, nature, and new ideas live together peacefully. From the beautiful palaces of Sheki to the busy streets of Baku, every part of this country has a story of strength and big dreams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Beautyleven Canada for more awesome videos like this. See you on our next adventure.